In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy walking in my Valencias, he's trying to bring out the fabulous.
I saw a means to realize my potential, to transcend my human form. The predator I was always born to be.
My name is Jamie Campbell Bower, and this is not my real hair.
The Vecnussi, is that the butt cheeks? I'm going to change my phone name to Vecnussi, and I'm going to airdrop people pictures of Vecna's bum cheeks.
Take anything from the Upside Down? Did you take like a glove or some special goo?
A special goo. Do you know what the goo is? It's KY. It's lube.
Again.
I'm covered in lube. That's what he's covered in. Isn't that gross?
Jace is half angel, and I'm half spaceman.
Just go and see my mom. She worked, and every time I would go, then they leave the reception and go, Mrs. Bauer, your daughter's here to see you.